Hello, welcome to Motivational Monday. It's Cheryl Andrews here from Step by Step Listening. We're talking about Monster Munchies either. Just a really quick video. I'm sat at the beach. I'm just about to meet up with a friend who is one of my great support networks to help me when I'm going through change. And there's some stuff going on in the background here at Step by Step Listening and in my personal life that I needed a friend to talk to. So that's what I'm doing. And we're about to meet up in about 5 minutes. So I've literally a short video to say one of the things I do with my clients on their 1 year plan to truly believe in is actually start to actually notice, even when we say 1 year, what do you actually perceive? And when we break it down, we then say, what do you want to have happen in 90 days, 60 days and 30 days and then the next 7 days. And one of the things that came up on this week's call, which was on Friday, was when I was saying to somebody 90 days, they're like, I can't do that. But if they change it for a number and they actually said June, July, August, they could perceive 3 months. So this is just a really say to you about, be aware of your language that you use around time. Sometimes the reason why we can't answer questions is because it just doesn't process in our brain very well. And as I answered the questions along with the clients on Friday, and I just wanted to share with you a bit of a sort of a curiosity thing here, is that I noticed that I wrote down in what I wanted to have in the next 7 days. And when I looked at that list this morning, what I'd actually written down was really what I wanted to have happen in the day. Now, actually, there's about 7 items there. I've got 3 of them done today. So what I'm realising is there's a bit of a sort of a mismatch there, that they are things that I expected to get done in a day, but are probably very realistic that they should be done in a week, and they weren't really going to be done today, which is where the overwhelm can come in. So it's one of the reasons why we really look at how to ask good questions and start to be curious about what happens to you when you're listening to the question and how you're processing it, is that sometimes we really believe we've answered the question honestly, but we've actually, our brain's taken it off in a different direction. So the curiosity today is just to say, take a moment now, write down what would you like to have happen in the next 7 days. Give yourself a moment. Then answer what would you like to have in the next week, and just notice whether or not the answers change at all. And then check in with yourself, and that's what you want to do in a week or in 7 days, what would you like to happen today? And just notice if anything's different. Because if the list is exactly the same, it's just be curious, isn't it? That you're expecting the same thing from yourself in a day as you would a week, and vice versa maybe. And that's where the pressure can come on, and that's when we've got to start really knowing ourselves well and knowing what works for us in order to make sure that even the basic of questions, that when we are asked them, or we ask them of ourselves, that we actually get the answers that are going to be the most motivational for us. Hope that's useful. Please like, share and comment on the video before. It always helps me to know that what I'm saying is of use to you. And there might be somebody else out there who's got a time monster, who's been setting goals with their coaches or whatever, and it's their time frame that is putting them off skew. If you want to know more about Time Monster Munchies, then do check out stepbysteplistening.com/resources, and the Time Monster ebook is there, where you can start to really update your time story and do more of what you love. Speak to you soon.